This is a VW Caddy that we fitted out with the Zanzibar design. The Zanzibar is an ingenious design that retains either 4 or 5 of the original VW belted seats for travel. So if you're looking for a micro camper that can transport 5 people, or you need ISOFIX options in the rear for kids' seats, this design could be a great option for you. All seats for travel are the original VW belted seats. The layout means you can have a lovely view out of the rear of the van. The Zanzibar camper van includes an elevating pop-top roof with optional roof bed, a folding lengthwise slat bed with your choice of upholstery. This bed is very long, so it's fantastic for tall people. Seating for 4 or 5 people, all with 3-point seat belts in the original VW seats. Insulation and carpet lining throughout. Vinyl flooring in your choice of style. A leisure battery and battery to battery charger. 240 volt hookup. Hand-built wooden furniture in your chosen wood or laminate finish. Solid wood work surfaces. A removable solid wood table and a pull-out table at the end of the unit. A can foldy single gas hob burner with sink and tap. A compressor drawer fridge as standard. Camper lighting throughout, including flexi and spot lighting. USB and plug sockets. And blackout curtains covering all the windows. As with all our Love Camper designs, you'll also get the chance to add optional extras such as gas airflow heating, solar panels, extra windows, or even a portally. If you're interested in our Zanzibar design, make sure you also check out the Mandalay design, which is slightly different and features a rock and roll bed. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment below or send us an email at hello@lovecampers.co.uk.